What's up, guys? Y'all know who it is. Your boy JP coming to y'all with another how-to, and we will be putting a Pioneer NEX 4201 inside this '05 Toyota Corolla. So let's go ahead and get this radio out. First thing we want to do, bring our panel removal tool right here, pop this up, and we want to take that piece, just kind of slide it over there to the side, or you can go ahead and dismantle it, whatever. Next, this one right here is the only one that you have to take off. You have one Phillips that we'll go ahead and take out real quick. God dang it, that thing just fell all the way down there. Oh, I don't know where it's at. That's not it. Son of a bitch. Either way, next thing we want to do is put this in the lowest position. Grab this, take out the whole thing. So yeah, after you get that Phillip out and don't lose it, this thing will come out to this section, and then it's going to relieve all 4 of our 10 mils, 2 on the right and these 2 on the left, and I'm going to go ahead and take those out right now. Alright, next thing you want to do that'll help you take this out, now that we've got the screws out, get your panel removal tool, come right here and then do a little lifting on the AC vent. This panel and this radio are stuck together. So come up here, get those edges out. We already have the radio somewhat. God dang. Oh yeah. So these pieces right here, let me turn that flash. So as y'all can see, man, these things right here, they got this long clip that goes back into this hole right behind here. So while you're pulling this radio out, make sure you actually lift it up in order to get it out, because if you just keep coming forward, you're gonna hit that thing back there in the back. Other than that, man, sure, we have our radio. Let's go ahead and disconnect all these harnesses and get everything going, put the other one in. All right, y'all, so now what I did was I went on ahead and took this AC vent off of here. They are held in by these 2 tabs. That's what these slide on. So you just want to kind of lift it up a little bit so this piece can go above that piece, and it just slides out on both ends. And then we're going to take this piece and mount it in here. Alright guys, so that's about it, man. That's the Pioneer piece. Got everything hooked up real good. Slides out with these, comes back in real nice. That's about it, man. If you guys found any value in this video on how to take it out, just go ahead and hit that like button for me. If you guys ever want to see me how to actually hook these radios up, go ahead and leave something down in the comments. Until then, I'm just going to keep showing you how to take it out. You guys can install it yourself. But if you guys need some help, just let me know. That's JP signing out. Peace.